Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create this.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
As you can see, we just create a new composition and now we insert our logo and then we create a pre-compose by Ctrl Shift C. We hide the composition and then we create a new black solid and now we add fractal noise effect. We are going to change the fractal type to subscale and now we change soft linear to block. We also turn on invert. We change scale value to 1000 and now we change complexity to 5 and now we are going to add find edges effect and now we click on invert. We are going to add a keyframe and now we move forward and we change the offset value and now we alt click on evolution and we type time multiply 50. We are going to add minimax effect and we change radius to. We also change it to horizontal. We are going to add tree tone effect and we change the color of highlight, shadow and mid-tone. If you like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. We again change the value of offset. We select the solid layer and we create a pre-compose by Ctrl Shift C. We select the logo and we go to layer and click on auto trace. We create a new black solid and we add element 3D plugin. We go to custom layer and we change path 1 to logo. We also change layer 1 to texture and now we click on scene setup. We click on extrude to insert the logo. As you can see, the corner of our logo is too rough. So we change the quality of path resolution. We go to physical and we select golden strips. And now we replace the golden material with bevel one. We select the shiny material and we change extrude amount to 1.39. We change expand edges amount to something like that. We change bevel size segment and Z offset amount to 0. And now we select the bevel 1 and we change extrude amount to 1.57 and we change expand edges amount to 0.08 and we change the bevel size to 0.84. We change the bevel segment to 0. We change offset amount to something like that. And now we select the bevel tool and we change the extrude amount to 0.6. We change expand edges to 1.32. We change the bevel size and segment amount to 0, and now we change the offset amount to 0.05. We are going to select the shiny material to, and now we change the extrude amount to 1.05, and we change expand edges to 0.8, and we change the bevel size to 0.3, and now we change the offset amount to something like that. We select the bevel one from the screen material, and now click on diffuse, and then we select custom layer 1, and now in base setting we change diffuse amount to 10. We also change intensity to 200, and now we are going to create a plane for background, and now we rotate it to 90-degree, and now we change the scale amount to something like that, and now we add shiny material on our background, and now we will give the reflection to our background, so we change the reflection mode to mirror surface, and now we turn on ambient occlusion and we off the grid. We are going to change the environment, and we add default blur environment on it, and now we right click on plane and we change auxiliary animation to channel 2, and in logo we change it to channel 1, and now we click on OK and we come back, and now we are going to create a new camera layer, and now we press C and we change the camera tool. We need zoom tool, and now we select the camera and we press P, and now we change the camera position to something like that. We are going to add glow effect on our element 3D layer, and now we change the glow threshold to 50%, and we change the glow radius to 150, and now we duplicate the glow effect by Ctrl D, and now we change the radius amount to 650, and now we move upward and we open group 1, then open channel 1, and we add rotation keyframe, and now we move forward approx 5 seconds, and we change the rotation amount, and now our animation is look like this. If you think your animation is too fast, then you just move your keyframe forward. I think I forget to do something, so we again click on scene setup, and we change the UV repeat amount of our environment. We are going to create a new black solid, and now we draw a equal circle. We change its blend mode to subtract. We will increase the feather amount to 250 and reduce the amount of opacity by 50%. We bring down the solid layer and we turn on 3D. As you can see, our glow effect looks weird. So we change the some setting of glow effect. Now our animation is look like this. The problem is that the number of particle at 5 seconds is very low. So to solve this problem, we just need to add complexity keyframe and we move forward and change the amount to 6. We copy the keyframe by Ctrl C and we paste the keyframe by Ctrl V. We change complexity amount to 5. The final thing we do is just turn on ambient occlusion. Our today topic is complete. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. If you have a time, then please visit my Gumroad account and see you in next tutorial.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.